Hello, Tabarkadas! Good day! This is Miss Nadia.
And this is Miss Daria.
And of course, together with us is our Philippine Airlines family, Sir Christian, Sir Josh,
And Miss Jamaica.
Alright, so we have a good news again para sa lahat ng Tabarkadas natin.
Yes, Miss Nettie, because we have a ongoing promotion from Philippine Airlines.
Yes, Sir Christian, pwede niyo po bang i-discuss yung ating ongoing promotions?
Thank you, Tabir Tours, and that is correct. Andito po ang Philippine Airlines para ibigay po sa inyo ang aming enticing at napakamurang promotion ngayong month ng August na ito. Kung magbubook lang po kayo from today until end of August, ito po ay ang tinatawag naming ultimate seat sale. As low as 1,300 dirhams kung ang travel date nyo po is from November 1 onwards. This is on economy class. At kung sakali naman gusto nyo rin mag-travel on business class, as low as 3,200 dirhams po. This is from November 1 onwards.
If your travel po, mga Tabirkadas, is now until end of October, as low as 1,450 dirham base fare on economy, and as low as 3,400 dirham base fare on business.
And syempre, hindi lang yan murang pamasahe. No? Ang promotion natin comes with 2 pieces baggage allowance. So 23 kilograms each, total of 46 kilograms. Napakarami niyan. Wow. Syempre, may hand carry pa na isang piraso na 7 kilograms. At huwag natin kalimutan yung napakasarap naming in-flight meals. Libre din yan.
Alright, so very good news nga yan sa lahat ng Tabarkadas natin na gustong magbakasyon sa bansang Pilipinas. So again, sa lahat po ng Tabarkadas na gustong humabol until August 31st po itong promotion natin, right?
So what are we waiting for, Tabarkadas?
Book now at Tabir Tours with Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.